To evaluate embryos, you need to collect information of all variable embryos in a cohort. Guided annotation helps you gather this information in an efficient way, and one of the means to do so is to set up and define an annotation strategy containing a list of information needed for evaluation. Let's take a look at how to define such an annotation strategy in the EmbryoViewer.
Variables to be annotated like division timings are set up in an annotation strategy. To set up, open Settings and select the tab Annotations. This is the list of strategies in your system. If you're using KidsCo models, the system has predefined annotation strategies for those. The strategies that are marked as active are available from the Annotate page, and the one marked as default will immediately be available when you enter the Annotate page. The variables included in an annotation strategy are displayed in the box Annotation Order. To the right, you'll find a pool of variables placed in logical groups. For each variable, there is an associated name and description. Let's create a new annotation strategy. Start by naming the strategy you want to create. Double-click on the selected variables to add them to the list. For the purpose of this video, we will include both morphokinetic and morphological variables. In general, we recommend that strategies contain only the variables that you will use later on during evaluation. When completed, click Save. The annotation strategy is now available for annotation on the Annotate page. During your daily workflow, you can use this strategy from the Annotate page. You find it in the drop-down list. Variables included in the strategy are now ready for annotations. When you have completed the annotations for one embryo, the guided annotation tool will automatically take you to the next embryo. If you have already marked some embryos as a void, you may not want to spend time annotating those. Such embryos can automatically be skipped in the annotation workflow. To do so, go to Settings and check Skip Avoided Embryos. Now the program will guide you to annotate only potential embryos and skip the ones marked with a red icon. For marking features that occur only occasionally, it is easier to use the Comments text box. This ensures that you will only need to evaluate those features for embryos that exhibit them. An example could be vacuoles, which we do not expect to be present in all embryos. Such a feature can be defined on Setting page to make it easier to mark consistently in every case. Once saved, the user-defined comments are available on the Annotate page and easy to annotate when the feature is observed. Just press the asterisk key to go to the comment box and start typing the name of the feature. Features defined as user-defined comments will show up in the drop-down list.
Now you have seen how to define an annotation strategy. To learn more about how to use guided annotation or other features in the EmbryoViewer software, take a look at our other videos on our website.